Today, guys, we are going to create this rocket launcher that I will use for my next mock. The pieces we are going to use are those one right here. So first of all, we have to take this cylindrical piece and this Technic pin in light gray. We are going to insert it inside here, and then we're going to put this inside the stud shooter, which many people hate, but in this case I felt like it was quite useful. Then we are going to grab this piece right here, and then we're going to put this little round piece on top, and then the rocket itself. To finish up the building, we are just going to combine the two pieces, and here we have it. We have to put the hand upside down, but it looks quite nice and I like it very much.